Hey, how's it going? It's Super Pagadora, and yeah, this is actually how I remember or what kind of tones I have in my head when I actually remember the speed glitch. When I actually execute on the speed glitch, it is tun 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 tun. And this is actually how I'm doing it. Okay, so what you have to take into consideration, I have a PS3 controller. So what you do is you jump, right? You throw your board away, you jump, then R1, and then when you land, you do this triangle, right? And what you do is actually you jump. So, first of all, let's take into consideration how many seconds you jump. Just for counting. I'm pushing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you break it down like 1, you have to make this one, right? It's actually 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the thing is, when you push it on 3, you're actually bailing. So, one more time. One, two, three. Like this. Okay, you're bailing. When you push on directly on 3. It means you have to count it between the 2 and the 3. This option when you have to go on the triangle. And because I have this song, this dun 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 dun, so I'm doing it like dun later, dun dun dun, and after 1 millisecond after the second dun dun, dun dun dun. After this 1 millisecond after the third tone, it defines if you do the speed glitch or not. And one more time. Yeah, too early. Now. So it's actually 1 second after you define, after this third one. What I said as the third tone. 1 second after the third tone.
5 minutes later.
From the third tone to the last tone is the time when you push the triangle. Now, okay, so it's actually 1 till 2 milliseconds. And the thing is, you can push even R2 and this one a little bit longer. Now, that was a decent speed glitch. It wasn't that fast. It wasn't the fastest one. And the thing is, the more you are pushing close to the third tone, dun, 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 the closer the seconds are to the milliseconds or 100 seconds to this third tone, the slower is your speed glitch. And the closer you're pushing to the last tone, this was really fast. I think this is the fastest one. Yeah, this is the fastest one. It's the fastest one you can get. Yeah, it was the fastest speed glitch you can actually get. So, why it has been counted and why it was a speed glitch, and why it was so fast, because it was pretty close to this last tone, to the 4 second, for the third second. So because you can like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this was an okay speed glitch. It wasn't really fast. But the other one, it was pretty close to the third second. Therefore, it was pretty fast. Hey, how's it going? Thanks you for watching. I hope you like my content. If so, hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell. I upload every day, so check my videos out, and as always, keep crushing it.